Goodbye, Mr. Wilson.
Cousin Nick here thinks we're going to the Metropolitan Museum of Art.
They've got this amethyst scarab they excavated from an ancient Egyptian
Culture. My sister Catherine likes culture. Are you married, Nick? Oh.
No.
Well, unmarried men can't be trusted.
I imagine your husband was unmarried before you married him.
Exactly. When my husband George proposed to me, I couldn't help but panic. Never in my wildest fantasy did I marry a mechanic. But George said, we'll strike it rich. You'll see, for I am what you call an up-and-comer. And so I gave the boy a chance, prayed he would advance. At least he's not a plumber. When I saw him walking down the aisle, he actually looked cute. I couldn't help but crack a smile. He had bought himself a suit. I let him put a ring on me, and gee, he looked so handsome in his bib and tucker. I promised him fidelity for eternity, and boy was I a sucker. It was a second-hand suit. It was a second-hand suit on our wedding day. I didn't know it at the time. It wasn't until I heard the doorbell chime. And there's a guy demanding I return his favorite suit and tie. He wore a second-hand suit. He wore a second-hand suit. It was all a mirage. Now I've been trapped for 10 years with the length above a garage.
Marriage is a civilizing institution, but the real trick is to keep your wife in the country and your girl in the city.
Your girl?
Oh, it goes both ways. A woman needs to let off steam too, you know.
She does?
I am not taking you to the Met, Nick.
You're not?
We're really headed up to Harlem, to my girl's place. The only twist is, Myrtle here's my girl.
And here I thought I was taking the train. Oh, John, you're so romantic.
Does Daisy know?
No! And you're not going to go breaking her heart by telling her.
Oh, that Daisy must be made of glass. Tom's so careful with her.
Don't talk about Daisy.
Doesn't your husband object?
He's so dumb he doesn't know he's alive.
You have to understand, Nick. George left me a shell of a woman. I tried to make it work. I wanted George to burst out on the scene. I wanted to be loyal.
Wanted to be loyal.
Every day I reek of gasoline.
Mixed with motor oil.
Sure, I said you're thin and thick. Beat stick. The carcasses are all a bunch of twaddle. Can't repair the wreck you're in. Screw the thick and thin. And look for a new model. On the other hand, my George stands alone. He's smart and well digested. Nothing in his wardrobe is on loan.
And his suits are double-breasted.